In this video, we'll walk through simple webcam troubleshooting methods, including testing your camera, checking permissions, updating drivers, and more. The first step to fixing webcam problems on Windows 11 is to test if your camera hardware is working properly. You can do this using Dell SupportAssist. If you don't have SupportAssist installed, you can download it using the link in the description. Start by clicking the Windows Start button, search for SupportAssist, and open the app. Once inside, click the menu icon, the 3 lines at the top left, and select Support. Under the Test My Hardware section, click Get Started. Scroll down until you find Camera Devices, then click Run Test. Select Start, follow the on-screen prompts, and click Done once the test completes. This will help confirm whether your webcam is functioning as expected or if there's a hardware issue. If your webcam hardware is working but still does not function in apps, the issue may be related to permissions. Open Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the App Permissions section and click on Camera. Make sure the toggle for Let Apps Access Your Camera is turned on. Then review the list of apps below, and make sure the apps you want, like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, permission enabled. Without this setting turned on, your webcam won't work in those apps even if it's functioning correctly. In some cases, your webcam might be disabled at the system level. To check this, restart your Dell computer. As soon as the Dell logo appears, repeatedly tap the F2 key to enter BIOS. Once inside, the steps vary depending on your device. If your system was manufactured after 2021, navigate to Integrated Devices and ensure Enable Camera is checked. Click Apply Changes and exit BIOS. Your computer will reboot automatically. For systems made before 2021, go to System Configuration, then Miscellaneous Devices, and confirm that Enable Camera is selected. Apply changes, exit, and let your system reboot into Windows. Outdated software or drivers can also cause webcam issues. Open SupportAssist again from the Start menu. In the Home tab, click on Update Software, then hit Start to scan your system. Once the scan is complete, click View Updates, then Install to begin installing any pending updates. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart your computer when prompted. Make sure your laptop is plugged into a charger during this process to avoid interruptions. If your webcam still isn't working, checking your drivers is the next step. Open Device Manager from Windows Search and look for your camera under the Cameras section. If it's not listed, click on the Action menu at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will attempt to detect and reinstall the driver automatically. Restart your computer and test the camera again. If the issue persists, you can reinstall the driver manually. Open Device Manager from Windows Search In Device Manager, right-click your camera and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Uninstall Device, then confirm by clicking Uninstall. After that, go back to the Action menu and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will reinstall the camera driver, restart your PC, and open the camera app to see if the issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most webcam issues on Windows 11. If not, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel for more Dell support content.